I need to make this.
I know.
You got it. Come on. You just practice. I see it wants to. The tongue. The tongue on the top.
Hi guys, it's your girl Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. Here I have with me today
Veronica Rain.
That's right, Veronica Reigns, and today we are gonna be eating.
Yum.
Yeah, that's it. We're gonna be eating
And trying things.
and trying things. But first, we're gonna be trying the yum popular
Jollof rice.
Yeah!
Yay!
Stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to like this video. Please drop some comments, like, and subscribe, guys. And then you can follow us on Instagram. My Instagram is @MimiWalters. And
Mine is at Veronica Rain, REIGN.
great. And then you can also follow us on TikTok. TikTok.
Tiki-taki.
Yeah. So on TikTok, I am also Mimi Walters. Walters with a Z.
And on TikTok, you can find me at Veronica Rain as well, REIGN.
Okay, so stay tuned, guys, and enjoy this video.
See you later. I need to make this.
I know.
This needs to be in my life.
Nothing beats the Nigerian party jollof.
No,
Nothing.
really. Nothing. The flavors are unreal in the rice.
So
Like-
it's made up of peppers, like the big red peppers, and onions, and some ginger and garlic,
I'm
and then
tasting.
seasoning,
I'm tasting it all.
basically. You
What
mentioned
seasoning?
it's actually a Nigerian seasoning. It's called Knorr. Okay, you know Knorr cubes. That's like the generic brand, Knorr cubes. But the way they make it in Nigeria is different. The
I
Knorr
bet
itself.
it's not authentic, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it does the job. Tastes delicious. Wow. I am like,
it is authentic.
It
They
is?
just fine tune it to the Nigerian, to like the way we eat in Nigeria. So like
So how is
it's
that?
like it's more salty, for example. Well, I would just say it has more spice in it.
it's spice. Yeah.
It has more
Because it's
spice
not
in
salty at all. It's just delicious and filled with flavor. I'm like really loving how like we can have such different backgrounds, but our food can be similar yet so different. Like how where my parents are from in South America, we eat our meat, rice, beans, and plátanos, right? And you have here a bean.
Yeah, this is moi moi, so it's made from beans. So we like blend the beans.
I love that.
And then we'll blend the beans, put some seasoning, and sometimes some people put like fish or eggs or a form of protein or whatever in the blended beans, and then we put it in. We can wrap it if we want to go locally. We can wrap it in like local leaves, but over here
Oh,
it's
like
hard.
similar to banana leaves?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
So, but mostly over here you can wrap it. You can just wrap it in a foil.
And it gives it like a different texture when it's cooked with
Yeah.
the foil.
Yeah, it makes it form like this.
Yeah.
So you wrap it in the foam, put it in a pot, put some water, just like a little bit of water, and then have it steam, you know.
Oh, it steams in there.
Yeah. And then
Really?
it's done.
I thought it
and
was
you have,
baked, but it's steamed.
It's steamed mostly. And then you have your moi moi. So it's called beans cake. No, this is not what's called beans cake. The one that's called beans cake is usually fried. So the same thing I just told you about fried. So that's called
Really?
akara. But it's
Akara.
yeah, akara. But the English name will be beans cake.
Okay. So if I'm in a restaurant, I'll probably see beans cake, but
Yeah,
it'll
beans
be
cake.
akara.
So yeah, but that's usually fried in oil, in some form of vegetable or olive oil.
And with the plantains?
So here we have like fried plantains mixed with fried gizzard, basically,
Gizzard.
and some peppers. So
And
you can
gizzard
see,
is
like,
the
pepper.
insides of the bird?
Yeah,
Yes,
like
because we cook
like,
with that.
yeah,
Yeah.
like gizzards. Yeah,
So
you want to
amazing.
try the gizzard?
Yeah, I do, I guess.
and the plantain.
Tastes like chicken.
It's chicken gizzard, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, just your chicken, fried chicken.
Delicious fried chicken.
So,
I can't believe I've never had this rice.
I was the first time.
I was
But
missing
trust me.
out. 23 years, I missed out.
Once you taste the Nigerian jollof rice the first time, you would always ask for more. You will always want to have some. So
My
if you
life
ever,
has changed.
You're
100%.
hilarious. If you ever go to a Nigerian party, yeah. So this is like a delicacy.
Okay.
There is really no Nigerian party without Nigerian jollof.
It's a staple in
So
the
that's
Nigerian
why it's
community.
called Nigerian party jollof.
Oh.
So this is like the main dish that is served if you go to a Nigerian party.
So you know you're at a Nigerian party when you see this.
When you see
right?
the jollof, yeah. Then you see like the big headscarves. I don't know. Have you ever seen the big
I
headscarves?
see you wearing them. I love. They're gorgeous.
We call them the gilly, and then we
Gilim?
dress up gilly.
Gilly. And you have like the matching outfits.
The
with it,
matching
too.
outfits. Yep.
What are the outfits called?
Ashrebi.
Ashtray B.
Yep.
I love it. Yes.
Yeah. So what do you call rice in Spanish?
Arroz.
Arroz.
Mhm.
Can I say that again?
Arroz.
Arroz.
It's a rolled R, so it's arroz.
I have a problem with my R.
You do R?
Yeah. So
Can
I'm
you
gonna
go?
see. I can't go. I'm trying it. Did I try? Did I do it?
The tongue, yeah. You got it. Come on, you just practice. I see it wants to. The tongue on the top.
Oh my god, I
It'll
suck.
tickle a little bit.
I suck. Okay.
No.
Don't
you're
worry, I'm
doing
going to
great.
practice behind the camera.
Yeah.
Right now I feel so embarrassed.
All the pressure's on you.
That's okay.
Yes, it's very important for us all to be in tune with each other's cultures and know what's going on. I want to know what's going on in your kitchen. I want to know. It always smells so good.
But I know you
today,
eat a lot of plantain.
I do.
Because like I go to like
Lots.
lots of Mexican restaurants and I see like a lot of plantain.
Yes.
And a lot of cassava too.
Yes, and it's so funny because I didn't know cassava is called cassava because Latinos call it yuca.
Oh.
Yuca. That's all in the supermarkets. They say yuca. So I hear cassava. I'm like, what is that? What is that? But you cook with cassava, right?
So we eat a lot of cassava in Nigeria, and then people from different tribes call it like different names.
Oh, they do.
So depending on how it is made, but cassava is cassava until it is made. So you can make it in form of something called gari,
Okay.
and then there's
Gari.
the gari, yeah, and then there's the one called fufu.
We all see that on the internet
Yeah,
right now,
fufu.
all
Yeah.
over TikTok.
And then you could just eat it like plain. Like there's the Igbo culture has this thing. They have this thing they do with cassava, where they just like peel it and soak it. You know.
Soak it.
Yeah, and then you can eat it with coconut.
Really? Not cooked or anything?
Not
Just
cooked or
soaked?
anything, just soaked.
I feel like it would have a coconut-like texture, but without that coconut flavor.
Trust me, it is really good.
Wow. Because
It
I
is
like
really,
it just
really
like
good.
even just boiled with salt is good.
And then sometimes they can add like some spices, like some seasoning, palm oil, yeah, and maybe a little bit of salt. And then they call that abacha.
Abacha? So is it fried? It's just like oil
No.
on it.
It's just like oil on it. So abacha would mean something like would mean like a concussion.
Oh,
So
really?
just like a mixture of like
Of
different
things.
things, and then it comes out, and you can call it abacha.
When we have yuca just fried in oil, it's called yuca frita. And that's very common. Like at steakhouses.
Just fried in oil. So the cassava itself is fried in oil.
Yeah, it's boiled first and then just fried in oil. And maybe like a little bit of salt on top.
Oh,
And
I would
it's-
like to try that.
so good. My friends, they would come over to my house and be like, oh, I want some giant french fries. Because they didn't know what it was called. And it tastes like a giant french fry. But often it's served with like a garlic like dipping sauce. So it's tasty. Very tasty. I love yuca
So
cassava.
next time I go to like a steakhouse, I should ask for yuca.
Well, in Latin America, at steakhouses in Latin America. Yeah, that's what, like, you know how at steakhouses here we always have mashed potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
Every steakhouse has mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Every steakhouse in Bolivia has yuca.
Has yuca.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. That must be really, really fun to try out.
It is. It is.
And then you know the fufu you keep hearing about.
Yeah.
So I really don't know how that is like made, but they kind of like blend. They peel off the cassava peel, wash it, and then blend it.
I saw that.
Yeah, and then they do it in like some way.
They like beat it in high heat.
And all of that. Yeah, and then it becomes that, and then you have to eat it with some soup.
With your hands.
With your hands. You wash your hands and then you eat. We should try that sometime.
I want to do that.
So the Yoruba culture in Nigeria would eat it with, let's say, egusi. That's the name of the soup.
Okay, that's served on the side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or
so you dip it in the soup.
Yeah, or efo. Egusi is made of melon. You know
melon?
Yeah.
A fruit?
No, it's not. No, is it like a fruit?
Melon?
Yeah, melon.
Yeah, that grows like on the plant.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
It's a wait. I thought it had meat in it. No.
It has meat. No.
Oh, just melon.
Mm-hmm. So melon,
it's really tasty.
Yeah, it's like they peel off the back of the melon and then blend it and then use it.
I
to
like
cook the
pumpkin soup, so that's like a melon. I feel like I would like.
So that's more of like a melon soup. And then we have the efo, which over here in America we make spinach.
Yes.
We make it with spinach. Spinach is usually like the best choice of
commonly used
to make it right here. But in Nigeria we have like a whole lot of options to use to make the efo.
Wow, I bet it's probably so delicious.
Yeah, then you have the ogbono soup. So ogbono soup is actually very, very common to many tribes in Nigeria, not just the Igbos or the Yorubas. You know we have like so many tribes in Nigeria.
I do, but am I saying it Hebrew?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and watch out for the part 2. And for so other entertaining videos and contents you absolutely would love. See you very, very soon. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for your support so far. Thank you so much for continuously encouraging me, and thank you for your comments, and just thank you for being you. You're awesome. Bye bye.